In this video, I'll show you how to change your Discord account password, especially in a situation where you've forgotten your current password and can't change it directly from inside the app. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in, or at least on the main Discord screen. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen where your profile picture is displayed. Right next to it, you'll see a small gear or cog icon. Tap on that icon to open User Settings. After you're inside User Settings, slowly scroll down until you find a section related to security and account details. Here, you'll see an option that says Change Password. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, Discord will ask you to enter your current password. If you already remember your password, you could continue from here, but in this case, we're assuming you forgot it. Since you don't have your current password, you won't be able to move forward on this screen. So what you need to do now is back out of the settings menu completely. Once you're back on the main Discord interface, look again toward the left side of the screen and scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll see the Log Out option. Tap on Log Out, and when Discord asks you to confirm, tap Log Out again. This will fully sign you out of your Discord account. Now that you're logged out, you'll be taken to the Discord login screen. Here, enter the email address or phone number that's linked to your Discord account. Under the login fields, you'll see an option that says Forgot Your Password. Tap on that option to begin the password reset process. Discord will now send a password reset email to the email address associated with your account. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Discord. It may take a moment to arrive, so be sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Inside the email, you'll find a button or link that says Reset Password. Tap on that link, and it will open a secure page where you can create a new password for your Discord account. Carefully enter your new password. Make sure it's strong and something you'll remember, and then confirm it. After that, tap on Change Password to save the new password. Once the process is complete, you can return to the Discord app. From there, simply log in again using your email or phone number along with the new password you just set, and your Discord account password will be successfully changed.